Good evening, my friends. My name is Shantanu Vaidya. I am here with the new video topic. My today's video topic is non-access modifiers in Java. We all know about that. Still, I am going to explain you main important non-access modifiers. Uh, in Java, there are two types of access modifiers. That is access modifiers, and second one is non-access modifiers. So in this video today we are going to learn about or getting the information about non-access modifiers. So let's start with this video topic. In the Java there are 7 non-access modifiers. That is um, static, abstract, final, synchronized, volatile, and there are two more. I forgot the name of that modifiers. Still, we are in this video we are looking only three because these three are mainly used. That is static, abstract, and final. These three non-access modifiers are mainly used in Java programming language. So let's start with this first one, that is static. We all know that static keyword indicates the object can be created without the class which has creation of without creating an object of that class. It can be exist in all the classes and methods. So with the help of static keyword we implement a less memory. It means it can be created, it cannot create an object of that class, but it can be a part of that class, a entity where we are using a static keyword. That entity are the part of the class, not the part of your object. So that is why that entity does not create an object of your class, but it can be exist within your class or outside of your object. So this is the main function of your non-access modifier, that is static non-access modifier. Let's start with the second one, that is final. Final. Before going to final, I will add one more point on static access non-access modifier. That is, static non-access modifier can be used to prevent a program to use a less memory, or a static non-access modifier can be implement a less memory according to other non-access modifiers, because static non-access modifier is going to use the it means it is going to use a reference of your class, and it is not going to use it is not going to create the object of your class. So that is why the static keyword is used in your program so many times, and static keyword is used in main method because we don't need to create an object of your main method, because if we don't put a static keyword in front of main method, JVM does not understand that which one is your main method, and JVM automatically goes and create an object of that your main method. If we applied a static keyword, then JVM get to know about that this is then your main method of your program. So JVM does not going to create that object of your main method, and that is why it is going to implement throughout your program. So this is the function of your static non-access modifier. Second one, that is final non-access modifier. Final keyword indicates the end of your entity. It means whenever we use a final keyword in front of your variable, so we cannot override or we cannot change the value of that variable. So the main purpose of that variable is it means the main purpose of final keyword is to prevent um, preventing that variable from overriding or creating an structured or we can say that creating an um, keyword, creating a variable which is at the beginning, the given value of that variable will be fixed throughout your code. That is the function of your final keyword, and the final keyword is mainly used in program where they require a special type of special type of variable which does not going to change the value throughout your code. So that is why the email keyword is used. And the third one, that is abstract. Abstract non-access modifier is used to the working of final and abstract modifier are way similar, way different from each other, because final keyword prevent from um, overriding, and abstract keyword allows overriding, or we can say that if there is an overriding method happen, then only we are going to create an abstract class or abstract method, because the abstract keyword is indicate, or the abstract keyword, when we use the abstract keyword in front of your method, that method cannot be on for that class, you cannot create an object directly. You have to create a subclass of that object, and in that subclass you have to um, get all the implement or get or implement all the functionalities of your main class, and then only you can create the object of your subclass, then only you can create object of your indirectly creating an object of your main class, or you have to create and subclass as abstract subclass for that class only, then only you can create an object of that original your main class. Otherwise abstract abstract class cannot be used by other outsider class, or abstract class object cannot be created by directly putting a new keyword. So this is the functionality of abstract class, abstract keyword. Again, I'm going to add the one more point in the abstract class or abstract keyword is that the abstract keyword is abstract keyword cannot be used with the static, final, or private keywords, because all these keywords are going to prevent overriding, and in abstract classes we need a overriding of method. So abstract class can be directly written by value, the name of data type, abstract class, and class name of the which you have to create an abstract of that class. So this is all about today's video topic, that is non-access modifiers in Java. Thank you so much.